Hi, and welcome to another um, test TiddlyWiki live stream. Um, I won't be saying very much for a couple of minutes while I just get things set up, but I hope people will be able to join me soon, and we'll be able to chat. The first thing I've got to do is copy the stream to the discussion group so that people know that it's happening. Okay, okay. So now I've posted the link, and hopefully some viewers may come, and we may also be able to practice the um, video chat as well. So you can see behind me at the moment there's a introduction video of the evolution of TiddlyWiki 5's user interface over the first couple of years. I also have the ability to share a Chrome tab over here so we can do demos. And over here, this should be the video chat uh, when we get some people who can experiment with joining. Okay, I'm just moving some windows around to give myself a bit more room, and I think we're in good shape. Okay, so while this is going, and before we have any guests, it's a bit unnatural to try and talk, but I'll just briefly explain what you can see behind me here. It's a screenshot of every commit to the TiddlyWiki 5 repo from when it started at the end of 2011 until I think about 2014. So in fact now where it is, you can see it's very close to the TiddlyWiki user interface we know today. And in a second, it'll flip over back to the beginning, and you'll see the very, very first version, early versions of the TiddlyWiki user interface. Looking at it now, you can see things like the icons for new Tiddler opening the control panel and save are all white, which seems to make them hard to read. But we're really now getting, oh, and now we've flipped back to the 2011 version. So you can see, first of all, there was no sidebar. I was planning to use a menu bar, but then very quickly the sidebar came back. When there is tension between being an application and being a web page, um, TiddlyWiki out of the box very often tries to be more like a web page. I think my goal at this time was that if somebody followed a link to somebody's TiddlyWiki and wasn't interested in TiddlyWiki but was interested in the content, that they shouldn't need to. It shouldn't be too different an experience than an ordinary Ajaxy web page. So wherever possible, I tried to kind of fit with the established conventions for how web pages behave. Okay, so I can see a live count that tells me there are no viewers. Um, Maybe I'll try um, posting. Oh, there is a viewer now. Hi. Um, Thank you for joining me. This is a test TiddlyWiki live stream. It's me trying to master the technology of live streaming and hosting a video chat and screen sharing and talking all at the same time. Viewer, if you're able to hop into the chat, and let me know that you can hear me. That would be cool. Um, and I will um, just try that, which is me switching to a Chrome window, um, checking that screen sharing is working. And now I'm going back to the background video. And okay, let's see if anybody can let me know that this is working. Um, okay, I'm just going to forgive me for the least exciting YouTube stream ever, but I'm just going to post a link to um, Twitter and see what happens now. Uh, uh, Posting a quick test of the generation. Okay, so that's going to Twitter, and I will also post it to Mastodon. And see. Great. Well, thank you for your patience for sticking around for the most boring um, live stream ever. As I say, if you're watching and you're able to step into the chat and let me know that things are working as expected, that would be terrific. Um, and I'm going to hang on for a little bit longer, hoping that we might get some other viewers. Um, I should go and get a musical instrument, perhaps, uh, to entertain you. Um, uh, but hopefully soon we'll have a visitor who's able to just confirm that things are working with the chat. So thank you for helping out by joining this test live stream for me to have a chance to practice live streaming for TiddlyWiki's upcoming anniversary, which is tomorrow. So I can see the view count. There's still one hardy viewer. Much appreciate you being here. So say if you're able to step over to the chat, that would be terrific. Love to hear that things are working. Okay, and just checking now on another screen to see if lots of people are clicking on the link. Okay. Well, thank you again for joining this test live stream about TiddlyWiki. I'm only talking so that there's something going on, but I'm hoping that when we're live streaming for real, there will be guests talking with me and not just me trying to fill airtime like this. If you are watching, the video behind me is an animation of the evolution of the first couple of years of TiddlyWiki 5. And right now we're towards the end of that period where you can see the user interface actually quite closely resembles what you see today on tiddlywiki.com. In a second, it'll flip back to that's what it looked like in 2011. So very early version with no sidebar. Okay. Um, we still have a viewer. It would be great if you are watching, if you're able to step into the chat and just let me know that everything is working as expected. Let's see. Um, we, I guess it's quite early in America, isn't it? Decent time of day here in the UK. Okay, I can see there's another viewer joined us. Thank you very much. This is only a technical test for me to try and make sure that I've mastered enough of running a live stream to do a proper live stream later on today, and hopefully a few more over the next few days. If you are watching and you're able to step into the YouTube chat feature, that would be awesome because I would love to know that everything is working in the way that I'm hoping. So hopefully you should be able to hear me, for instance. Um, and that would be good to have some confirmation that this is audible. I'm, for a bit of variety, I'm going to switch over to screen sharing Chrome. Oh, great, you can hear me. Great, J Beard, thank you very much. That's very helpful. Um, uh, I am also hoping to be able to test out the live video chat. Now, for that, if you are in the chat room, I'll paste a link for joining the video chat. Um, so, oh, that hasn't worked. There we go. So you should be able to join the video chat by clicking on that link, and the password is the word transclusion, um, all in lowercase, which I will also type into the chat. And so if any viewers are able to help me out by testing the video chat, following that link, I'll post it again shortly, and then hopefully you will pop up on my screen, and I'll be able to invite you to join me in a video chat, and that, and hopefully verify that the audio of the chat works as well. Okay, that's great. If you I think you will be able to join the video chat even if you don't have a camera. Although obviously it would be good if you did. And I'll just repeat again: this is a practice live stream for TiddlyWiki. My first time using proper live streaming software, and I just wanted an opportunity to test that everything is working. I've had feedback that you can hear me now. The next thing I want to test is that we can run a video chat with multiple participants, which I think I've tested with lots of feedback and my own devices, but it'll be helpful to have some real people on it. So again, I can see some viewers have joined. I'm This is just a test live stream to verify that I can make this stuff work. One of the things I'm hoping to test is a video chat that people can join. So I'm just posting again into the chat window here a link where if you follow that link, you should be able to join as a video chat participant. And I imagine you'll have to manage having closing your YouTube window or something, pausing it. And the password for joining is the word transclusion, all in lowercase. So it would be great if anybody's around and got the technical wherewithal to jump on the video chat. Um, I, whilst we wait, I will just check that the screen sharing works. I guess a interesting place to look, given our 20th anniversary, is this the list of TiddlyWiki releases since the 10 years ago, 20th of September 2014, which was when TiddlyWiki 5 came out of beta and had its first official sort of usable release. Nearly 3 years after I'd started it. And you can see a fairly regular cadence of releases since then. Maybe not so many during COVID, um, and so throughout that 10 years, TiddlyWiki has carried on improving and hopefully getting more useful for more people. Um, Thank you if you're just joining me. This is just a technical test of my ability to live stream. The thing I'm really hoping is that some of you may be able to also join a video chat just to check that that works. Bombast, I can see your message. Thank you. Here's the link if you're able to join the video chat, and the password is the word transclusion in lowercase. Um, uh, so, do let if you're having trouble with that link, please do let me know. I've tested it from another device of mine, um, and then hopefully we can get the real live stream underway. Um, so again, if you're just joining me, this is just a technical test, and I'll delete it afterwards. But it's for me to verify that I can screen share and talk to you with a video behind me. And I'm still hoping that we'll be able to test the video chat capability as well, and for that, I'm hoping that somebody in the audience will be able to click on the link I posted in chat, um, which should enable you to join the chat room. And when that happens, then we can try a practice video chat. Once again, thank you for joining me. Much appreciate it. Uh, getting technical things up and running doesn't make for great television, but I appreciate your help, and it's great to know that things are working. Okay. Um, I'm going to give it a few more minutes in the hope that somebody will be able to join the video chat so that we can test that part of it. And just give it a few more minutes, and if that doesn't happen, then I'll just schedule the first proper live stream anyhow. If you're interested in the TiddlyWiki 20th anniversary live streams, I'm hoping to do one later today and tomorrow, the day after, and well, let's see, but perhaps for as many days as I can manage. So again, if you're watching, thank you. It's very helpful for me to know that things are working. What would be incredibly helpful is if you're able to join the video chat so that I can test that out as well. So I will keep talking for a few more minutes in the hope that somebody will be able to help me give that a try. I guess I could join from my own machine. Let's see. But thank you very much for joining me. This is only a test at this stage, it's very much appreciated that you're here and able to help me test. If you've just joined, it's a test stream, but one of the things I'm hoping to test is a video chat. So if you're able to, over in the chat window, I posted a link that will enable you to join this video chat and be part of the live stream. There's a password which I'm also posting into chat. So thank you very much for joining, helping me get this tested. And as I say, if you're able to jump on the video chat and help me test that, that would be very helpful as well. I'll give it a couple more minutes to see if anybody can join. And let's see. But again, thank you. Very much appreciated. There's my screen sharing. TPA in the chat has just said thank you for TiddlyWiki. Very much appreciated. Thank you. And thank you for coming to the most boring live stream ever seen on YouTube of me talking to myself, trying to test the technology. And clicking here. This is, if we did have anybody who was able to join the video chat, this is where they would appear. Again, if you just joined me, thank you very much for joining this test live stream. Not very exciting, but just a chance for me to make sure that I know how to do everything, so that our first proper live stream, which hopefully will be in an hour or two, will run smoothly. I'm still hoping if anybody is able to join me on the video chat, that would be very helpful to be able to test that. I think in a moment or two, I'll close this and I'll just go ahead. And I'm pretty sure that we'll figure out the video chat one way or another. So just give it one more minute. But as I say, if you are able to join the video chat, there's a link in the YouTube chat, and you'll also need a password, which is I'm also typing into the YouTube chat. Okay, well, everybody, thank you. I'm going to close the stream now, but it's been a successful test. Thank you, all of you, for coming. Thank you very much for the feedback. That's incredibly helpful. And hopefully I'll see you later on today during the proper live stream. Cheers. Many thanks.